Good morning, children. Today we will learn opposites. In previous we learned 101 to 125. In annual revision we have 101 to total 150 opposites. Today we will learn 126 to 150. Okay, children, let us read along with me. First 125, happy, sad, already you learned. Next one, hard and soft, HARD, hard, SOFT, soft, hard, soft. Do you know the coconut is very soft, hard, and the pillow is very soft like. Next one, harsh, 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 GENTLE, gentle, harsh, gentle, harsh, gentle. Next one, HATE, hate, LOVE, love, hate, love, hate, love. Next 129, HEAD, hate, TAIL, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Next one, HEAVEN, heaven, HELL, hell. Do you know the heaven means the above sky we can call heaven. Okay, children? The positive word is hell. Heaven, hell. Next one, 131. HEAVY, heavy, LIGHT, light. Heavy, light. Do you know this word also? Next one, 132. HIDDEN, hidden, OPEN, open. Hidden and open. Do you know this word also? Next, 133, hot, cold. HOT, hot, COLD, cold. Hot, cold. Next 134, HUMANE, human. The opposite word is brutal, BRUTAL, brutal. The human meaning is who is have a kind person we can call human. The cruel mind called brutal. Okay, children? Human means kind person, brutal means cruel person. Okay? The human opposite word is brutal, BRUTAL, brutal. Next one, humble, HUMBLE, humble. Arrogant, ARROGANT, arrogant. Humble also kind person, kind mind, like this. Next, arrogant also the quite opposite word. Next 136, hurry, 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 DELAY, delay. Hurry means we are going in any place, or we are going to school. If bus is there we can call hurry. Speed. Delay means very lazy. Okay, children? Hurry, delay. Next 137, HURT, hurt, HEAL, heal. Hurt, heal. Next one, 138, IDEAL, ideal, actual, ACTUAL, actual. Ideal means when we are getting any idea. That's all. That is called ideal. Then the opposite word is actual. Okay, not idea. That is actual. Next one, idle. Idle means some lady lazy. We can call idle. The opposite word is active. Some kids are very active. No, observe in any function areas, functions, any place. If in your relatives, some kids are very active. The opposite word is idle. Idle, active. Next 140, ignorant, IGNORANT, ignorant. And opposite word is learned. Ignorant means not listening. That's learning means you know already. Learned. Okay, children? Next, ignore, IGNORE. Ignore means not consider. Consider means we are meeting any person. Ignore means leave it. Like we can call ignore. Ignore, consider. CONSIDER, consider. Ignore, consider. Next, when 142, ILL, ill. This letter is, first letter is I, Nana. Okay, children? I-L-L, ill. Ill means when we are getting any sick, that we call ill. Well means good. Ill, well. Next 143, illegal, I-L-L, E-G-A-L, illegal. Illegal, opposite word is legal. When the crimes we can call illegal, there are you doing some rules and regulations that are called legal. Okay children, law and order we can call legal and illegal. Next, illusion, I-L-L-U-S-I-O-N, illusion. Illusion means imagine. When we are sleeping in dreaming, we are imagining we are flying, we are jumping like this. Reality means that is happened really. That's happened really. Illusion, reality. I-L-L-U-S-I-O-N, illusion. R-E-A-L, real. I-T-Y, reality. Next, immaterial, I-M-M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, immaterial. Material, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L, material. Do you know material? Many things we can call materials. Immaterial means not having materials. Okay. Next 146, impure, pure. In subject you already you learned impure or pure in water, air, like this. Do you know? I think. Next one, income. What is income? We can earn money, that is we call income. Any work do and earn money we can call income. And expenditure means if you want to buy any things, toys, new dress, that we call expenditure. I went to market, I expend some money, like this we can call expenditure means kharchu. Income, earning. Expenditure means going money. Income, expenditure. E-X-P-E-N, pen, D-I-T-U-R-E, expenditure. Okay children, once again repeat after me. I-N-C-O-M-E, income. Expenditure, E-X-X-P-E-N, pen, D-I-T-U-R-E, expenditure. Income, expenditure. Next 148, independence. I-N-D-E, P-E-N, pen, D-E-N, den, C-E, independence. What is the meaning by independence? Do you know very well? We are celebrating Independence Day also, August 15th every year, no? Independence Day we are getting freedom. Next, the opposite word is slavery, S-L-A-V-E-R-Y. Not independence, not having any freedom, we can call slavery only. Okay, before independence we are all slavery persons. Do you know? Independence opposite word is slavery. Once again repeat after me children. I-N-D-E, in, P-E-N, pen, D-E-N, den, C-E, independence. S-L-A, V-E-R-Y, very, slavery. Independence, slavery. Next 149, individual. I-N-D-I-V-I-D-U-A-L, individual. General, G-E-N-E-R-A-L, general. Individual means if one single person we can call individual. In group of people, generally, general, like this. Okay. Once again repeat after me children. I-N-D-I-V-I-D-U-A-L, individual. G-E-N-E-R-A-L, general. Individual, general. Next last one 150, induction. I-N-D-U-C-T-I-O-N, induction. Deduction, D-E-D-U-C-T-I-O-N, deduction. Here induction means Nana, we joining some chains like increasing, joining. We can call induction. Deduction means the chains, whatever the joining chains removing or moving far away, that we call deduction. Induction means joining. Deduction means reopening, opening. Okay children, induction means joining, deduction means removing. Once again repeat after me. I-N-D-U-C, T-I-O-N, shun, induction. Deduction, D-E-D-U-C-T-I-O-N, deduction. Induction, deduction. Okay children, total we have 101 to 150 total. Annual revision opposites we have 101 to 150. Today we will discuss 125 to 150 total. You can learn. Okay children, bye. Thank you.